All right, what's going on today, guys? I wanted to talk about the, agency client rat race and how I'm able to keep my client retention rate very high, even during the pandemic, during these hard times. And, what I really look for in a good client that I know will consistently be able to pay me because I know I can bring them results. The reason why most agencies fail, right off the bat, is because they're taking clients for the quick money. You're taking clients because you don't think you'll find that money anywhere else, right? You're stuck in this I need to get money, No, what you need is a longevity business, okay? You need to use your current clients that you know you can bring results and take those people and find referrals around them because everybody's got friends. If they're a business owner, likelihood is their friends are also business owners because over time they've accumulated friendships, relationships, they went to events, they've done this and that. They have friends that are doing the same thing as them and they need your services, okay? So the number one thing I look for in a client is results. And not because it's easier to scale a client who already has results, but it makes the relationship so much easier. If that client comes to me and they say, hey, Jason, I have, 500, customers. I have over 500 purchases on my Facebook pixel. This product is our best seller. Our average order value is this. We haven't done this, and this though yet, which I know is costing us money. That's a client that I can work with because I know they already have results. All I have to do is optimize, fix their upsells, add an order bump, have an upsell on the back end, set up an email sequence that they can make more money on the back end, and that is a client that will consistently be able to pay me. On the other scenario is if a client comes to me and says this, and this is where a lot of you agency owners are taking clients just for money, and you can't bring them results, and that's why they leave you after a month, or they want a refund, or they do a chargeback, which is a whole nother conversation. But if they come to you and say, hey, I spent $500 on ads, I haven't gotten a sale, I don't really have any customers, and I'm really just looking for someone who can run my ads for me or can do this for me. That's a client that's probably going to be very impatient because they're coming from a state of I haven't gotten a sale yet. Is Jason going to get me a sale? When's the first sale going to come? Oh, when are the ads going to be done? That kind of shit makes my head blow up because I don't want to deal with that because I have clients who already have proven business models who have never had somebody before who's able to scale their stuff profitably, which I can do. So I know that with a proven business model, with proven data, that I can get the job done. And that's another client that's going to basically, financially keep me up. And also it's about the relationship as well. When you have a client who's just in it to get sales, who's just in it to get that quick cash, they're gonna drive you fucking crazy, okay? I've had these clients, they're out of their fucking minds. They don't understand that they need to build a proven sales process. They need upsells. They need a good offer. They need better sales copy. All they want though is just money. And it's that's not the fucking goal. Now I have clients now who consistently make 6 figures a month, who I've taken, recently I have this new client who is doing maybe $500, $700 a day. And she said, hey, Jason, I have 500 purchases on my pixel. I just can't get these ads to work. Whatever I do, whenever I increase the budget, I just can't get more sales. And I was like, perfect. It's a perfect client because now I can look at their website. I can make changes, add copy, add more social proof, touch up the sales process, give them a better offer, touch up the slideshow images, and then allocate the funds and the ad budget better. And now she's doing $3,000, $4,000 days. Now she's a 7-figure paced business. And that's what I'm able to do when you come to me with a proven business model. So I really want to get that across. I know a lot of agency owners right now are struggling to scale because they're taking these clients who are wishful thinkers and trying to make them these magical winners. And honestly, in today's day and age, you have to start finding business owners with proven concepts that you can scale, that have leverage, that have social proof. Stop taking the clients who have no data, who have, no long-term outlook, who have like no following, no social proof. It's just you're going to do so much work in the first month to get little to no results. And then the client's going to be pissed. They're going to think that it's your fault when it's not your fault. Stop thinking that when clients leave you, that it's your fault. It's the client's fault because they have a business model that isn't fully set up yet, has no real sales process, and they want you to get these magical results. If it was that easy, everyone would get those results. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.